Hi, I'm Peter Duff. I'm a diversity and inclusion coach and advisor, and I'm delighted to be joining you at the PfW Women Conference again this year in November. The workshop that I'm going to be running at the conference is an interactive session about how to be an effective ally. And through my work in diversity and inclusion over many years, allyship and how to be effective as an ally is the theme that comes up again and again. So in this workshop, we're going to discuss and consider 3 points. Firstly, how to be an effective ally. Secondly, what you can do as an ally and what's in it for you. And thirdly, how you can help to influence others in your organisation. Now, it's a fairly short workshop. It's about 60 to 75 minutes. But I guarantee you'll have a chance to get involved in the discussion, to have your say, and together we'll develop ideas and practical steps that you can take back into your organisation to benefit you and the people you work with. I look forward to seeing you in a few weeks' time at the workshop. However, if you can't make the session, or if you're at one of the other great workshops they're running that day, then please feel free to contact me afterwards through LinkedIn, or you can contact me on email at duffpjj@btinternet.com. So I look forward to seeing you and hopefully see you in a few weeks' time. Thanks.